للعلم، هذه الجمل من كتاب المعاصر للصف الأول الثانوي 2026.
Unit 1, Egypt's Heritage, General Exercises. Choose the 2 correct answers out of the 5 options given. One. They are working for the preservation of the city's main square. Which 2 words are opposite in meaning to preservation? Neglect and destruction. Two. Amal's teacher praised her awareness of environmental issues. Which 2 words are closest in meaning to awareness? Consciousness and mindfulness. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. One. The Grand Egyptian Museum will help protect Egypt's heritage. Two. The guide explained that ancient symbols on the temple walls were hieroglyphs. Three. The school will honor the toppers. Four. Zamzam found inspiration in a story about a young inventor who became rich and famous. Five. Do you think it is a privilege to have a selfie with famous people? Six. The doctor says there's a lot of progress in your health. Seven. Parents make sacrifices so that their children can be happy and successful. Eight. My uncle worked as a shop assistant for years. He is now a worker in a factory. Nine. I am used to walking to work every morning, it's my habit. Ten. NASA wasn't allowed to leave until he had apologized. Eleven. I went on a picnic with my family 2 days ago. Twelve. I'd rather you bought this car. It's a bargain. Thirteen. What comes after the introduction? Body paragraphs. 14. The new museum shows ancient artifacts beside modern art, creating a balance between old and new that visitors admire. Egypt is a meeting point for Africa, Asia, and Europe. During the school play, Omar managed to answer in character and made the audience believe he was the real king. After years of study, Fatma graduated and felt ready to move forward in her career. The charities video was a call to action, asking people to donate to help rebuild homes. Our culture has traditions that go back thousands of years. In Egypt, the roots run deep in history and heritage. Tourists can take part in local traditions during cultural festivals. People often admire their parents for teaching them valuable lessons. To improve teamwork, we should believe in the importance of cooperation. Students should prepare for their exams by reviewing their notes daily. This bridge will connect the island to the mainland. We must pass on our traditions to future generations. Successful workers move forward to their goals despite difficulties.